Hey guys, I just tried to start this video a minute ago and the whole thing fell over on me and it was live and it was hilarious, so that's why I'm laughing. If I secretly or spontaneously start laughing during this video, that was a disaster. Luckily no one watched. It was the first time I was ever really happy that no one was watching my live video. So I want to talk about your financial review process every month, and a lot of people are not doing this. The number one reason I see is because business owners are scared to see how bad it is. They don't want to look at, well, how much debt am I really in? How much interest am I paying every month? How bad is the situation? You know, they just keep sort of going and going, and then once a year they find out from the accountant how they did, and that is so bad and wrong. You have to look at your financials every month, and you have to know how to understand them. You have to know the money that's coming in and the money that's going out and the profit that's left over. And you also need to have a budget or a financial plan. And so every month you want to compare what were my goals for revenue and expenses and profit, and what did I actually make for revenue, what did I spend for expenses, and what did I keep in profit. And that is the basis for every decision you're going to make in your business to improve things. There's a whole other world of marketing and culture and all these things we're going to build in your business. But the number one tool that all of my one-on-one clients have to build first, and they have to look at every month, and they have to be able to review, analyze, understand, and use as sort of a roadmap, is their financial plan. So every single month, if your revenue goal was $100,000, did you hit it? If not, why not? Look at your sales processes, your marketing processes, your conversion rates, your number of leads that are coming in, all of those things. There's so many things you can do once you know where the problem is. But you can't know where the problem is unless you look at your profit and loss statement every month. So again, we want to set a goal for revenue, and then we want to look, did we hit our revenue goal in March? We want to set a goal for expenses. Did we maintain our expenses, or did we overspend on some of the areas that we said we were going to spend less on? And you can make almost every part of your budget somebody's KPI. So a revenue goal could be a salesperson's KPI. Your expense goal, like one of my girls controls expenses as part of her KPI. And she has no problem telling me, like, hey, you've overspent on education, or you've overspent on donations or things like that. And she takes that very seriously. It's her job to make sure that we don't spend more than the amount that we committed to, right? And so if the salesperson controls the sales goals and the office manager controls the expense goals, we hit our profit. Now, if we don't hit our profit, something's wrong, and the numbers will tell us what it is. So whether it's employee morale and engagement, or it's key performance indicators, like employees aren't hitting their numbers, it's not enough staff feedback, or it's a crappy marketing plan or no marketing plan, or like I said, it's your conversion process. It could be so many things, millions of things. But you'll have no idea what it is unless you look at those numbers every month. So I know, especially if any of my clients are watching, you're so annoyed right now because you hear this all the time, but it's because it's so important. Please, please, please get your numbers done every month. Get a great accountant or bookkeeper. There are lots of them out there, and you cannot blame your accountant or bookkeeper for this. You need to take control, you need to get those numbers in, and you need to look at your income, your expenses, and your profit every month, and you need to have a plan for the next year, and you need to look at every month, did I hit it? If not, why not? And make improvements from there. Trust me, this is the most important tool that you guys should be doing in your business, and if you're not doing it, you need to do it now, and then do it every month. Because like I said, that's really the basis for all the improvements you're going to make in your business, and that's how you make your business more profitable, more systemized, and you achieve your goals. So please implement that monthly process now, get it in your calendars, and reach out if you have any questions about how to do it effectively.